The symbolic and physical assault on Geza's home underscores a broader fear gripping the nation. That rule of law has collapsed, and the targeted political violence is escalating in the face of a citizen movement demanding justice. Salabena Mashoko Udapana Bajins Iowa. Now we have diverted from crisis to open conflict. Pango Enya Tukona Kuta Iowa, the state is now in a fear condition. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina Mnamobani Comchinsi. Just this week, President Mnangagwa was accused of breaching the constitution by illegally removing General Sanyatwe from commanding and appointing him to a civilian cabinet post, in what many see as a panic move to protect himself from arrest or prosecution. Now activists and whistleblowers like Geza appear to be paying the price for standing in the regime's way. In courts, Yatova Hondo E, one message repeated across dozens of groups warning. No arrests have been made, and the police have not issued a statement on the attack. Civil society groups and War Veterans Association are demanding an urgent investigation, though many doubt whether state institutions can be trusted to deliver impartial justice. As the 31 March deadline approaches, the attack on Blessed Geza is likely to galvanize public sentiment, not silence it. What was meant to send a warning may now spark a new wave of resistance. Geza, who has not yet spoken publicly about the incident, is expected to release a statement later today. This is a developing story. Domash Kwarubuda Panapa. Atrukona with our people are continuing to guess vachipama suggestions kuti Geza angaita this move. Atrukona kuti attacks aruramba chikira una bombshell Geza. Panguva inoi vanhu varongoti let's just wait, watch and see. Toona kuti zvichagumira nepi. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu kutudza mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.